Hiya, it's Elaf, and in this video I'm going to show you another tutorial on how to create some more product photos, but this time on the updated Caspa AI platform. So I'm going to show you how to create beautiful, ultra-realistic lifestyle photos of home goods this time. And the platform has been updated, so we've got two different modes, creative and accurate mode, that you can use to create photos. They both require slightly different prompting techniques and slightly different workflows in order to get the best out of both. So I'm going to show you how it works, and hopefully you will be able to learn and use that to create the best lifestyle photos for your own products and your own marketing. I'm going to be making more videos, so if you have any requests or if you have any products specifically, feel free to let me know and I'd be happy to show you an example or give you some prompt examples to let you know how it works. If you have any feedback or if you have any questions or comments, let me know. And without further ado, we'll get straight into it. I'm going to share my screen. I'm on my laptop and I'm going to show you how it works. Starting off with this basket, I'm going to show you how to generate AI photos on both the creative and accurate mode. Here I'm on the background remover tab. I can upload a photo, but I did this earlier, so the basket is in my assets. I'm going to click on it, then click the green generate product photos button to send it to the third AI product photos and editing tab. Once it's in the AI editor tab, you can see the default mode is creative mode. So I'm going to type in my prompt straight away. In this case, I want this basket with a beige throw beside a linen sofa on a rug, soft morning light, white desk lamp in the background, black wall, cozy modern rustic feel, and click the green generate button. The creative mode means the AI will learn how the product looks and show a replica in the photo. Sometimes it works really well, other times you have to be a bit more detailed when describing the product in your prompt. This is what the first image generated looks like. I like it, so we'll save by clicking the arrow on the top right button and generate another one to see how it looks, and then I'll save that too. Next, I'll show you how the same photo looks in accurate mode so you can compare which one you'd prefer. Starting off on the background remover, I'm going to send the product to the studio editor tab, which is the second tab. Here I can position the product exactly where I want it to be in the image. Since accurate mode will use the exact input image that you upload and generate an AI background around it, you can position it in the place that you want first before generating the background. When I'm happy, I'll click the green generate product photos button to send it to the third AI editor tab. Here I'll select the accurate mode since the default is creative, then I'm going to edit the prompt to be more exact. On a rug with a beige throw beside a linen sofa, soft morning light, white desk lamp in the background, black wall, cozy modern rustic feel. Before I generate, I'm going to paint over the back of the basket so it doesn't show that in the photo, and then I'll click generate. It takes a few seconds to load, then 4 images are created in this mode, and the product is in the exact same position as the input image, as you can see. The output images are a bit awkward because I painted over the handle part, so I'm going to erase that and then generate again. 4 new images are generated. I'll flick through them to see which one I like, and then save the ones I like to my computer by clicking the arrow on the top right corner. And this is how the images on both modes turned out next to each other. You can pick which mode works best for you or your products. Moving on to this framed photo, I'm going to do the same thing and show you how it looks on both modes. Starting on the background remover tab, send the frame photo to the AI product photos and editing tab by clicking the green generate product photos button like before. On this tab, the default is creative mode, so I'm going to type in my prompt straight away. Here I want to see this framed photo on a wall on top of a dining table, green wall, and click generate. It's good to emphasize that you want this exact product, otherwise the AI might try to replicate it and edit it slightly. You can go into more detail on the product, such as the color, material, shape, fit, or whatever detail you think is necessary. I like the first photo, so I'm going to download it to my computer and generate another one for variety and then save it. Feel free to regenerate and edit the prompt to have some different variety in each photo. Now let's compare it to a photo generated in accurate mode. I'm going back to the input image on the background remover tab and I'll send it to the studio editor, then reposition it like before sending it to the AI editor tab. Make sure to click the accurate mode since the default is creative, and then edit the prompt from the creative mode. Here I removed this framed photo since the accurate mode will just use the input image like I mentioned, and then I'll click generate. 4 images are created, flick through them. I saved the first 2 and the third one looks good, but the chair and the legs of the table look off, so I'm going to send it to the image component on the left by clicking edit and painting over the parts I want regenerated, and I'm also going to touch up anything else I want to. And finally, this is how all the photos generated look side by side. You don't have to use both the creative and accurate mode, you could just pick the one that works best with your products. Finally, I'll show you how to create the photo of these candles on both the creative and accurate mode. Just like before, we're starting off on the background remover tab, upload the photo or select one that you've uploaded before, then click the green generate product photos button. It will get sent to the third AI product photos and editing tab, which is set on creative mode. So I'll type in my prompt straight away, and I want these candles in a modern white kitchen, grey wall, plant in the background, and then click generate. It takes a few seconds to load and then a photo is generated. I like it, so I'm going to save it and generate another for variety. You can see that the AI has replicated it pretty well, so it looks pretty much like the same product, but the shadows are slightly different. I like this other one too, so I'm going to save it and move on to the accurate mode images. For the accurate mode, I'm not going to reposition the candle this time. Instead, I'm going to click on the accurate mode straight away and slightly edit the prompt by starting it with "in a modern white kitchen" and then click generate. Takes a second to load and 4 images are created. I'll download the ones I like and regenerate if I want some more variety or if I don't like any of the other ones. And now I'll show you how the candles look side by side. That's the tutorial. I hope you understand how to now use the different modes on the platform and play around with them both in order to understand which one works best with your input images or your products. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you soon.